Wow, look at this brave woman getting hold of the snake and trying to hold the snake first. Look what she's doing. So initially, she is actually trying to get the snake, kill the snake, and turn into meat and sell it. That's what you see in the picture. You're gonna see the video soon. So you see in the box in the cage, there's a lot of snakes, guys. That's her business. Wow, she's very brave, and wow, look the way she's very brave, and she's not scared of the snake. Looks like this is a cobra. That's what I feel. She's trying to get the snake. Yeah, she's getting it, but with no fear on her face at all. Actually, wow, it's very scary for me to watch even. Pity for the snake, unfortunately. You see that she almost got it, but she missed it. She's trying to get hold of the snake. She's trying to get the head first. Yeah, she got it now, and oh, she is going to take the head off. Oh, and the blood flows down. Yeah, so this is how she's doing the business. I'm not sure. Probably looks like she is in some part of the Southeast Asia. So she just have a look at this video how she is turning this into a meat. First she took the head of the snake, taking all the blood out, and she's going to peel the skin take the poison out, and she's going to turn into the meat stick. Yeah, and she's going to sell it. Wow. This is really crazy. I've never seen this, and it's really scary for me to watch this video, but I thought let me share this to my viewers and to the people who want to see how it happens. I've never seen this. You see this? She is cleaning it up and hanging it. She took the head off, the complete head off, and she's hanging it, and here she is peeling the skin of the snake. It's a live snake, guys. The snake is still alive. Taking the skin away. Oh, it's crazy. Wow, I'm not sure how she's doing it. It's not just one snake. There's a lot of other snakes in the cage, and probably that's what she does on a day-to-day basis, and that's what she does for a living. Wow, crazy. Wow, what is she doing now? She's taking something out. Looks like the skin. It's like the poison or something. I'm not really sure actually. She's taking out. She's literally cleaning the snake before people eat this. Wow, really crazy, man.